Good morning, guys. So now it's about 10:36, 10:38. This is euro dollar market pair. And guys, I just went short from this inefficiency here. This one. From this one. So I do expect, my expectation that the market is going to deliver this sell side liquidity. This one. So I want just to see how it's going to react over this inefficiency. And we gravitate towards in the long run, it's a bearish. So I think I was just looking for the setup, and I think this is the best one because, first of all, the vessel taken here, you can see there's a shift market structure here, inefficiency that is here, market coming in, and then you gravitate towards the sell side liquidity. First of all, this one will be taken, and I think with that, I can take my first slot from, I think there's another efficiency. Yeah, there's some efficiency here. This one. I think to the conclusion of this inefficiency, I'll take my first slot here. Here. I'll take it. And then I'm expecting the moment the market will take will take this first partial, I'll try my stop loss just below here. Because now after passing this level, I don't expect the market to come again there. That's my expectation. Today I missed a very good move, this one. I missed it. I was so busy at the time. You can see the way market, after taking the sell buy side liquidity, this one, shifting market structure, just New York opening, New York time zone, shift market structure. There's an efficiency here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's an efficiency here, this candle here. You can measure this week. You can get cost concentration of this week again. Putting your stop loss here. Expecting market to deliver this equal loss. You can see this equal loss. It took just few minutes. I got it while already here, and I was like, I cannot get. Once the market have gone away from the above 50% of the range, from this range, sorry, from this range to this range, once the market have gone below 50%, I cannot get the market because that's chasing price. And the moment you chase price, the market can get you in a wrong side. And that's always so risk for me. So the moment the market just started going, I got it while start already below 50%. I was like, it's okay. I'll wait for another move. Came here, consolidated, looks like it's going to take this inefficiency. I was hoping it will come here. I saw it going down. Now I realized that we have some good sell liquidity that I had already noticed here. So I do expect it to come and take that sell side liquidity. In long run, we have some inefficiency somewhere. This one, we are coming for this one. Let me check it for you guys. I think it's weekly, monthly. Not monthly. I think weekly. Let me check weekly. Yeah. You can see this one. This sum. This is a BC. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Only the buy side was offered, but there's no sell side price delivered. So what I expect is that this week, today's on Monday, in long run we're heading here. So if you are a long-term trader, you could have just went short here, expecting the market to come pick this inefficiency, because I know this week is going to pick this one, and then you can measure the conclusion of this long week, half of it. You can just trade your stop loss until it reaches to the positive region where you are comfortable with it. And it depends with your strategy, guys. So, can see how market's going to react here. I just want to check if how market's going to react at inefficiency. I'm going again to touch that inefficiency that just below it. I think it's going to be one handle in. And then let me see if it's going down or it's going to touch in again. It can get in because this is another formation that have been formed. Now it's fully that this formation because this is a shift market structure here. The efficiency that I've just told you, just went to touch in again. You could have gone short again there, expecting the market to rally down, or you can wait again. Or if you have entered with half of the contracts that you always enter with, you wait again to get in. That's in case it gets back. If it gets back, you can add that half short partials. There are 5 contracts, I mean. Now expecting the market to rally down. I'm so happy if the market just deliver here. Let's see how it's going to react on that. Now you can just wait, touch that cost encroachment that way. You can add another shorts there. I've already entered my 10 contracts. Let me add half of it. Yeah, half. Yeah, I think I have entered my maximum number of contracts of the day. Sorry, guys. I had some issues. My network had some issues, but I think I've sorted it out. I think I left it on here. It's already just taken like 15 minutes. Recording stops for a while. Sorry for that. And I think I already backed 5,000, the $5,000. Let me check with you. The first slot that I told you. Yeah, this one. 1,600 already booked that one. So because I replaced it here, because of encroachment, had some issues with my Wi-Fi. That's the reason I had to connect again. So market have just come in the way I told you guys. If you could have not already have entered, you could have waited until it touches that because of encroachment, get short, and making sure that it is going to attack this encroachment. First of all, you have to take from that point. I've already waited for long. I could have already finished this trade because for me, my trade pattern is always fast partial, trail my stop loss below here. Already it has already come back up. So it means if I could have been still on the trade, already got out of the market because I could have traded this stop loss just here. The moment it touched my fast partial and took it out away from the market. So I'll have to wait again. Most of my trade is not a must for the market to reach to this sell side liquidity. Most of my trade is just the market always reach fast partial, time and stop loss to be taken out, account of in the market. I don't know the issue. I still have issues with my Wi-Fi. Sorry guys, sorry for this. My Wi-Fi is still fluctuating. That's the reason. So as I was saying, um, hmm, yeah, you have to look at every time frame to check how market is going to react because there's some inefficiency within different time frame, and the market will have to deliver through algorithm. Its algorithm, it has to deliver no matter what. So you have to check those inefficiencies and always consider those midpoints, the consequent encroachment of those inefficiencies and the liquidities. So market always deliver for two things. First of all, it's inefficiencies, and when it comes to inefficiencies, you look for the lower quadrant like a quarter of it, a half, that's midpoint of encroachment, 3/4, that's the upper quadrant, and then the full efficiency, because market always look on those four algorithm. So for me, I always consider mostly consequential encroachment. Like you can see here, how market have reacted that consequential encroachment. You know, it can just come here and then start going up, and it just go until take this buy side. That's always consider after taking the partials from the inefficiencies, so that I can trail my stop loss on the positive side, so that I can just be safe. As long as I'm profitable, no matter what I get from the market, as long as I've removed something from the market, that's what matters a lot for me. So far, I could have already ended my trade if I could have not been having these issues of my Wi-Fi. I could just got my first partial here. There were 10 contracts. Now it's 5. And then trail my stop loss just below here. I know market will have just come in, take me out in a positive position while I've taken my first contracts out. That's that's like 3/4 of profit from all the profit that you could have gotten. That's enough for me. And I count it a day. I always count it a day. Even if it comes taking excess liquidity and already gotten off the market, I don't get marked on the market again. I always consider that. I always consider that the moment I've got after the market, that's the end of the day. Unless it give me a new session and with a new form, with a new setup or a model. Yeah, I always trade in two session, New York and London session, and then yeah, what each if I get a setup, not just I trade each session, it have to give me a setup first. A setup that it's convincing for me to get in. I started that I know that this one is going to deliver in this way, and I'm going to be profitable in this way. So you can see now today I can get a loss due to the Wi-Fi issue. The market can just go and past my stop loss, heading towards here. But let's see. The objective might be only just encroachment, not the efficiency, not the liquidity that is here, because you can see how it reacted on it. Sorry, guys, because I think due to the issue of the Wi-Fi, I don't know if you are getting me okay, because it's fluctuating. Sometimes it's getting off, sometimes it come on. Just want to see it out. It's going to. Oh, it's okay. Be okay now. This candle that has open to rally down. I'll be so happy with that, because this one, the previous one, have just touched the conclusion of that week of that inches again. So to be okay for me, if you just give me a setup, a rally towards bearish down. But let us see. Let us see. A lot when it comes to trading. As long as you have a knowledge, you have understanding, you have understood whatever you need to understand, it's good to go. And please, guys, consider subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell. I need you guys to go to 1,000 subscribers. That's 1,000. You start from there. This is a live trade by, you can see here, market open is market euro dollar. I'm using trading view. If you're not familiar with it, you can check this tutorial in YouTube and you'll know how to use it. I always prefer using trading view other than using MT4 or MT5. Yeah, I like using is market as my broker. Yeah. You can see now how market is going to react here because it had already delivered the objective. The first objective was to touch that midpoint of that efficiency. So it will take time. If this objective to come to this sell liquidity, it might even take some 2 hours because it might be a lunch hour run to liquidity. This one, the target of lunch hour, and now it's about 11. Those are 2 hours. I don't normally like to don't trade so long. I always look for those fast running of the trade. The moment you give me a setup, I get in, you deliver, whether it's an efficiency or it's liquidity. Within like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I'm done. Close the trade, wait for the next session or the next day. Like this one, now I'm getting impatient. I can close it and get to the positive side. I know it's going to take a lot of time. That's now the main issue about this one. I'm going to close this trade, guys, because even if it's negative, I'm going to close it. Because the video will be too long and the Wi-Fi is disturbing me. I have issues with this Wi-Fi, so I know in the long run I'm heading here. That's the main objective, this one. No matter what, we are going here. You can see how this price here have reacted here over this region. And within this inefficiency that's here, you can see how it's reacted. Just within the constant encroachment here, again, touched it, came down. We have taken the sell side liquidity, touched the efficiency. I'm just willing to close this trade, guys. So I just feel that you just close it and then get after the market. Let me close it, guys. I just close it because it will take a long time here, consolidating like 2 hours. I know, because I've been almost of the time after the market I've delivered around 10 to 11, the objective already achieved. So it will take time. You say that after delivering, it takes some consolidation, form a setup, and then start delivery again at around lunch hour or 2 p.m., 2 to 3 silver bullet time. You can check that one again. So it will take time and I'll show you guys before I post it. I'll upload a video showing the results so that I've gone up or down. I'll just show you but my prediction is that it's going down. So I'll just show you if it went down or it could have just come to take my stop loss here. Thank you, guys. Let me wait for that for the market to deliver, and then I'll add on it. Okay, guys. Thank you. I had just told you I'll record if the market will go up or down, or towards the buy side or sell side. I got out at this point because I already taken my 50% from here, and then just some few minutes, like I think some like 10 minutes, I just got out and the market started rallying down immediately. So you can see the reaction of the market at this place. It just displaced down. It's the main objective is this sell side liquidity, this one. And I always tell you guys, the only thing that you need to know is where market is going towards to. It doesn't matter which strategy you're using, the models, the setups that you are using. Even if people say it's the bad setup, as long as it's giving you the correct prediction where market is heading towards to, that's what matters a lot, guys. Imagine if you get just a setup from here towards this side, you are profitable. You have at least got something from the market. You get a setup from here until here, taking this buy side liquidity, which it didn't take anyway. That's a setup. You get something from the market. That's what matters a lot. As long as you're getting something, you can have knowledge, back of knowledge. You have written books, you have journaled, but you are not getting something from the market. So you are still young when it comes to trading. The most important things about knowing the direction and knowing the best time to get to the market, because you know prices move with time. So which time am I getting to the market? At what time should I enter the market? At what time should I get out of the market? That's what matters a lot, guys. So my prediction was right at this point. My expectation was to take this SI liquidity. Even if I didn't hold until here, my expectation is not about towards the target. As long as I get something to the market, that's what matters a lot for me. As long as I get, even if it's 30% of the what I went to the market, my risk is 30%. My profit is 30% of the risk. That's a being profitable at the end of the day. So thank you, guys. I don't have much to tell you. I know it's heading here. At the end of the day, this is the target. Thank you, guys. Let's meet on the next video. Thank you.